Today we will talk about the 15 amazing facts that you don't know about India. But before that, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon below for the upcoming notifications. Welcome to the next fascinating lecture of the UPSC preparations. Today we will talk about the 7th most largest country in the world, India, Bharat. India is a country in South Asia with the populous democracy in the world, which has 24 regional languages, and the amazing thing is that it does not have any national language. A country with the billions of population follow different kinds of religion. India is a cradle for human race, mother of the history, grandmother of the legends, and the great-grandmother of the tradition. Our most valuable and the most instructive material in history of the man are treasured up in India. These are not our words, but the words of the great Mark Twain, and here are the 15 Indian facts to support his statements. Fact number 1 is that Bollywood's highest grossing film made 27 times more than the Hollywood's highest grossing film. Indian films have been screened in the markets around the world since 20th century, in which Avatar remains the highest grossing movie at the international box office with the take of $2,029 million compared with the Endgame's $1.936 billion. We'll have to wait for the 2021 to see how its sequel Avatar 2 will perform at the box office. Talking about The Three Idiots in 2009, Indian comedy drama film with a box office of 460 crores, eventually bringing worldwide $90 million. It was the highest grossing Indian film ever. The film also has a social impact on the education of India. Talking about the fact number 2 is, India has a spa just for the elephants in Kerala. Yes, elephants receive the bath, massage, even the food at the Panathur Kotta Elephant Yard Rejuvenation Center in Kerala. And they are being pampered there. Now that's the big step for the country and the government. India is the only country known for its hospitality, not towards the people only, but also towards the animal friends. These animals obviously have a special place in our heart. Now the fact number 3 is, diamonds are first mined in India only. Initially diamonds were only found in the alluvial deposits in Guntur and Krishna district of the Krishna River Delta until diamonds were found in Brazil during 18th century. India led the world in the diamond production. Kohinoor was the India's first and the very valuable diamond, but then after it was taken away by the Queen Elizabeth. Moving towards the fact number 4. Shampooing is the Indian concept. Shampoo was invented first in India, not the commercial liquid ones but the method using of the herbs. The word shampoo has been derived from the Sanskrit word that is champu, which means massage. Initially, shampoo was made with the neem and the aloe vera gel, which have its separate advantages in the use. Later, it was followed up by so many other countries. Now talking about the fact number 5. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to our ex-president Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sir. He is the father of India's missile program and had visited back Switzerland in 2006. Upon his arrival in Switzerland, the President of Switzerland declared the celebration on the Science Day on 26th May. The Swiss government, considering his vast expertise in science and technology before declaring the honor. Moving towards the fact number 6. The world's largest producer of milk is India. India recently overtook the European Union with the production reaching over the 132.4 million tons in 2014. Now the number 7 is, the word yoga is derived from the yog, the Sanskrit word. Its origin is in India. It is being said that Shiva is seen as the first yogi or the Adi Yogi and the first guru or the Adi Guru. Several thousand years ago, on the banks of the lake of the Kanti Sarovar in the Himalayas, Adi Yogi poured his knowledge into the 7 sages. However, it was in India that the yogic system found its fullest. Agastya, the Saptarishi who travelled across the India, crafted his culture around the world, a core yogic way of the life. Talking about the number 8 is, the culture of India refers to collectively to the thousands of unique culture of all the religions and community present in India. But it doesn't have the national language, such a big thing. It covers 80% of the Hinduism around India and Judaism and have existed in India for the last 2000 years. And some religions are featured in India like Jainism, Christianity, Buddhism, but still India has no regional languages or national language. Now moving towards the fact number 9 is in 2011 Kumbh Mela, the largest gathering of the people with over 75 million pilgrims. The Kumbh Mela is a spiritual event held once in 12 years in the northern India. This religion is so vast that it has been being visible from the space through the satellites. This involves the ritual bathings, devotional songs, religious discussions and felling of the poor, making it the largest gathering on the earth. Talking about the fact number 10, ancient Indian civilization is the oldest in the world. Indian civilization dates back to 2400 BC. Ancient civilization of India is often called the Harappan civilization because of the one ancient city, Harappa. South Asia is one of the 4 early places where human civilization began, similar to Egypt, China and Iraq. Some of the oldest human remains in the South Asia dates back to around 75 years ago. Now number 11, Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was offered German citizenship because after defeating German by 8-1 in 1936 at Berlin Olympics, Major Dhyan Chand, the wizard of the hockey, was summoned by the Hitler. He was promised German citizenship, a high post in the German military and a chance to play for the German national side. But Dhyan Chand, however, declined the offer and decided to play for the beautiful country India. Moving towards the 12th number, water on the moon was discovered by India only. In 2009, India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1 using its moon mineralogy mapper detected water on the moon for the first time. Lunar water is the water present on the moon. ISRO said liquid water cannot be possessed on the moon's surface. Moving towards the 13th number fact. A polling situation is set up for just one voter in GIR forest at every election. Mahant Bharat Das Darshan Das has been voting since 2004 and during every election since then a special polling booth is set up exclusively for him. As he is the only voter from Banej in GR forest, he is the priest of the temple of the GR forest. Number 14. The first country to consume sugar in India. India was the first country to develop extraction and purifying technologies of the sugar. Many visitors from the abroad then after learned the process of refining of the sugar, and India always welcomed them. Moving towards the most important fact and the most beautiful fact, fact number 15. When former Prime Minister Honorable Indira Gandhi asked the first Indian in this space, Rakesh Sharma, about how India looks from this space, his response